Very few recipes tug at my heartstrings as much as this homemade pasta. Clearly, I love this recipe, and I'm betting you will too.
This was Joanne's actual reaction.
We're starting on our countertop with flour, egg, salt, and olive oil. I'm using 00 flour, but you can use unbleached all-purpose flour if that's what you have. Break those yolks and whisk everything inside the well, bringing in some flour as you go. When about half is mixed in, put the fork down and use your hands or a bench scraper to bring it all together. We knead this for 5 to 10 minutes and are looking for it to be smooth and a little bouncy when you lightly press it. Let it rest for a bit, then cut it into quarters and get rolling. We'll spend most of our time on the thickest setting of our pasta roller, which smooths out the dough and gets it to the right shape for moving on to thinner settings. If your dough gets a little wonky, fold it to get it back closer to a rectangle, then move on. Move through the thinner settings of your roller until you have the thickness you want. If you aren't sure, we have plenty of recommendations on Inspired Taste. You have a few choices for cutting the dough too. I've got the fettuccine attachment here. Once cut, either hang the lightly floured noodles or make little nests. Then, when you are ready, you can cook them. Don't forget to salt your water, heat your favorite sauce, and toss it around a bit before serving. I'm also partial to a good showering of cheese. Find this pasta recipe, our favorite sauce, and more ways to use your homemade pasta on Inspired Taste.